how to make a beat of trap drill in Linux Multimedia Music Studio. Okay, listen this beat. Okay, here I have the kick, and this is the hi-hat. The snare, listen. And there is the drums. I have this 808. Here I have the automatization. And how to make this? First, select this option and click on whatever node is, and just click your node and put this. Okay, that is the drums, and I have these melodies. Sounds are in Orion, my library. This Mark those Mark 2, and let's listen. And the final melody is this. The black with this equalizer and this river. So that is the beat. Don't forget, these sounds are in my library. Link on description. The library is Orion. Yeah, listen the final result, and I'll see you in the next video.